Hi, that's me, Eric from Laserskin Europe, the channel for point clouds, hardware technology, software, everything is point clouds. And we had yesterday a great idea to take our new Orbis scanner and put him on our small Trittbrett Fritz e-scooter. This is this nice car. And this is how it looks like. Here's the next picture. Here we have our FARO Orbis scanner. Put it, this is a laser sensor. We have here a dual camera head. This is the rack. And here we have the PC Echo Pack, and then we use this e-scooter to move forward. Here you see I'm going up with this e-scooter from about like 15 to 20 kilometers per hour. So, and then I move here in our business area. So there I come back so with my small e-scooter, and I take a maybe 8 minutes ride with my e-scooter. And now everybody is asking me what is the result, and the result is pretty amazing because I show it. No, this I don't show you. I show it. That's our result here. I have to stop this. Wait. So we get after these 8 minutes ride, we get a full colorized point cloud, and we need then like maybe 20 minutes processing on my laptop here, and then finally we get the whole area in 3D here, and it's unfortunately now it's just a little bit complicating the moving here in Cloud Compare, but I have it, and looks how amazing the results are for capturing on site with my scooter passing the way. Here you see all the colorized details. You can see cars, lamps. Here also channel openings. All this information is in this point cloud. And but sometimes the view looks okay from the side view data, what you see, but we are here in Laser Scanning Europe and we like to check the data more correct, and this is the reason why I use the point cap software, which can generate for you some like section side views quickly. And we have here the top view, and you can really see if this was the building what we see, and you can see all your details, the window openings, and here some of the frames from the windows we have. All you don't see any double lines here. Looks how detailed these information are. And I have also some information like from the section we have like this is where we passing with like 20 kilometer per hour with my scooter, and if you go a little bit slower then you get this detailed view. Of course you have seen the data we have also in color. It's that we can also show to you, and yeah, this information you can get out, and you see the quality is super good. There's no double lines here in our data set. I don't see any double lines here. It's perfect what we get out from the FARO scan algorithm for the Orbis, and we have a size here from around 100 over 100 meter to 150 meter this size, but the whole size is much larger, and then we can use these area measurement tool here from PointCap software. I click here a few points through, and then we get the whole area, and the whole area it's I done it was approx 30,000 square meters. I captured this in 8 minutes with my scooter car. I think that's super amazing what STEM technology can do for you, and the new Orbis is definitely a great tool to do that. Yeah, I say bye bye, Eric from Laserskin Europe TV, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and looks also for other videos on our YouTube channel.